everyone, this is Suravi and welcome back to my channel. So this is the second part of my Puri vlog. I hope you all have watched the first part already. If not, then please make sure to watch it first and then watch the second part. If you have not watched the first part, then please click on the I button which is appearing at the top right corner of the screen. Okay, so right now I am going to Sargatwar market and let's see how the condition is out there after lockdown. Okay, so if you have visited Puri, then you know how crowded this place is all the time, but right now this place is not crowded at all. Very few people are here. The last time I visited Puri, I had to wait for 15 whole minutes in order to cross this road. Yes, this road used to be that busy all the time, but now I can just cross this road at once, and I actually did cross at once. So you can understand how the condition of Puri has changed after lockdown. Right now I am in Sargatwar market. There are a lot of shops here like handloom shops, craft shops, etc. Please have a look around. Sometime back I was talking to some of the shopkeepers and they were saying how bad the condition of their business is right now, since a lot of tourists are not coming to Puri, so they are having to face a lot of trouble. The condition of their business is really bad. Business is running down. There is another thing that I would like to share with you all. That is, sometime back we went to a handloom shop to buy certain things, and during the time of payment we gave the shopkeeper a note of rupees 2000, and you will be shocked to hear what the shopkeeper said after that. He said, "This is the first time in 9 months I am seeing a pink note." This statement hit me really hard. Now from this statement you can understand how bad the condition of business is in Puri. Okay, so right now I am at the beach. This is how the beach looks at night. There are small shops on the beach. Actually there are more shops, but most shops are not open. As you can see, these are the shops which are not open. Okay, so let's start walking. We have reached the hotel again and it's time for dinner. today is our last day in Puri. So basically we have been doing the same thing every day, that is waking up in the morning, having breakfast, going to the beach, bathing in the sea, then coming back home, bathing again, and having lunch, taking some rest, and then going to the beach again in the evening. So every day we have been doing the same thing, and I enjoyed doing this so much. We came here to relax, to go to the beach, to take some rest. The main reason why we came to Puri during Durga Puja is that if I were in Kolkata, I would not step out of my house even once. Okay, so as you all know the situation, so I would be staying at home, and I would feel sad because this is the first time that I would not be going anywhere during Durga Puja. I would not do pandal hopping and all that. So we decided to come to Puri because if I were in Kolkata, I would have been staying at home. So here in Puri, I will be staying in the hotel. I will go to the beach, and then it's the same thing. So it's better to stay in the hotel rather than staying in my house during puja. So we came here with a lot of protection. I am carrying so many masks, sanitizers, surface disinfectant spray, and all that. So today is our last day, and I hope that you all enjoyed watching this vlog. So thank you very much for watching this video till here. After some time we are going to have lunch, and then we will go and take some rest again. We might go to the beach again for the one last time, and then we will go back to Kolkata. We came here by car, and we will go to Kolkata by car only. So we are not using any public transport like train or buses and all that. So I enjoyed this whole trip, and let me tell you, I think I have mentioned this earlier, this is my 10th time. So I have visited Puri so many times. This is my 10th time. All the sightseeing and all that, the places to visit in Puri and to visit from Puri like Konark and all that, I have visited them so many times. So this time we came here just to relax and have fun in the beach. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Okay, now I think it's my time to go. Now I will be going. So you all stay safe and stay happy. I will be making my next video very soon. Till then, be happy, make others happy. Bye.